That's right, baby. Probably. Gotta pick something. Check this out. We got a Honeycrisp apple. Looking so beautiful. It really is the best.
That sounded good.
It's really good. Wow.
We should give her like a tech deck or something.
We have one of those somewhere.
She's crazy right now.
There you go. What? Oh, look at your PG.
Okay, me and Danny are continuing our weekly skate pace. We made it to the Forest Park skate park. I've never been here before. It's been really cool to use these videos as a way to explore new skate parks in New York City. I'm feeling super excited about this one. It's got a nostalgic vibe to it. It's very rare nowadays to actually see wooden skate parks like this in New York City, but these are all wood. Some of these ramps are even falling apart. You have a really deadly hole in this quarter pipe right here, for example. I would probably say that's the best mini ramp I've ever skated in New York City, if not in my entire life. Danny concurs. Also adding to the nostalgic factor, we had a wooden roll-in just like this at my local skate park in Maplewood, New Jersey, right before it was redone into a cement park. Yeah, feeling super happy to be in this environment. Let's get some tricks. Tony Hawk Don't Ride BMX on a little sticker. How do you do it so it doesn't rock it? Danny finally got kickflips because he got new shoes. Never mind. You look like you're a vert skater trying to kickflip. Why are you skating so different with those Vans on, dude?
Dude, I'm pro. Parks like this, they have like an older feel to them. My old hometown park that I grew up skating, it's kind of similar to this. Like all these prefab ramps are kind of similar in some way to like old parks.
Just feeling the wood on my wheels is like such a nice feeling.
Which is honestly like kind of emotional.
It is.
It's like my old park that I grew up skating.
I keep saying this in every video, but being surrounded by trees and grass, it reminds me of growing up in the suburbs too.
I want to skate the mini ramp.
Yeah, I know, let's do that next. Look at this, guys. The quarter pipe is really low. It's like right about at my hip height. Super, super mellow. Feels really easy and safe to do everything. Really the best part in my opinion is how long this is. I can actually stop and think before hitting the next side, so it's really, really fun.
Oh yeah, dude, there's at least another like, there's a bag of Cheetos on the ramp. There's like at least another 2 feet right there.
8 foot flat with mellow ramps. All right, let's do some skating.
All right.
I'm seriously completely in love with this mini ramp right now. It's also a metal surface, but my Bone Skatepark Formula wheels are gripping it so nicely. I'm just having the best time on this. It's also giving a little bit of fall vibes with a little bit of leaves falling and a cool breeze. Let's see what Danny's got, baby. Oh, come on. I'm telling you guys, Danny with these Vans, I've never seen Danny try front slash grind. That's crazy.
I got razor sharp confidence. Ah, I didn't get it.
feeling spicy on this mini ramp. I'm feeling so good. Blend fakie, I actually thought that I was done with that trick forever, but this mini ramp is just asking for it. Felt super easy, felt so good. I'm having the best time.
Woohoo!
Okay, it's starting to rain, so we're gonna get out of here, but that was super fun. Me and Danny just keep having conversations about how happy we are that we've been doing this weekly skating routine, and I love checking out these new skate parks. That mini ramp was so fun. The whole vibe there was so fun. Love reconnecting to this like childlike way of exploring and skating, and now we're just checking out this park, and it was a great time. What do you think, Danny?
I had fun. Fun skate.
Super fun.
Good time. Skate park is really fun. I could see myself coming back here.
Thanks for watching. Smash that like button, and I'll see you next week.
That's the end of the video?
I think so.
Okay, please subscribe to my channel.
There's Danny, and there's our bus back home.
Next stop, Myrtle Avenue and 83rd Street.
Look at Danny getting his artsy b-roll of those flowers. They are pretty, right?
They are.